This week, we have for you the last of our cakes of the month, everyone's favorite glazed lemon Bundt cake. Hello and welcome back to J&J's Food Basket. Lemon cake is a favorite for tea time and coffee shops. In fact, you'll always find it at a Starbucks near you, so why not make the same at home? For this recipe, you will find the list of ingredients along with links to where I picked mine in the description box below. Let's get cooking. Lemon cake is a dense, flavorful, and very popular cake. Lemon is used to provide its unique flavor to a variety of cakes, including Bundt, angel food, or white cakes. These steps are repeated twice over in the recipe, but make sure to separate this into 2 steps and not add everything all at once. So that was another quick video taking you step by step through a very easy and tasty recipe using ingredients available in your own kitchen. Do try it out. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest at J&JS Food Basket.